So these are going to be the paintings. I'll be dripping on some paint on top of them. As you can see, these are a beautiful mix of 4 paintings that they talk about human emotions. As you can see, beautiful expressions, and you will see the final result on this video. So hey guys, it's me again. I'm Julio, your local artist painter, and in this video you will see how I transform these awesome paintings about portraits, about human emotions and everything into an amazing masterpiece, because I will be dripping some paint in it and you will see the final amazing result. By the way, these paintings I will be exhibiting in some art gallery in the near future, and you will get to know how, when I will be exhibiting. And you can see the videos about these paintings on my channel. I will link down on the description below the process I undergo to make this beautiful, amazing paintings. So let's start. So the materials we'll be using for this process are very easy. As you can see, we have this hardware store brush. We have this smaller brush, but it's a good like 1-inch, 1.5-inch brush. I have an amazing gold color, which will give a nice pop, amazing pop to the artwork. I have also a fluorescent blue, because I want some cold tones also. And I want some warm tones with this fluorescent rouge, which is like kind of an orange. And as always, some water on the cup, and you will see the amazing art we will do with only these tools. Okay, so now that we have all the materials, we grab our brush, we load it with a little bit of water, with a little bit of the blue tone color, and get ready to have some fun. So according on the expression of this beautiful portrait that you can see, I will put some dripping paint this direction and from this direction. Get ready. So in this first step, as you saw, I applied the first color, which was the blue. Then you will see me making the same thing, but with the oranges, kind of red color. And then for the final touch, the best tone color that you will see, which it will be the gold color. Stay tuned. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the final part, the third color that will make everything pop. With you in front of your eyes, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause for the gold tone color. Yes! And no, I'm not being sponsored. I wish. So hey guys, let me know your comments, like, subscribe, share this video, and see you in the next adventure.